Hi viewers, it's Christina again, and I'm still in India looking for more herbal solutions to all our beauty problems. And today I want to discuss with you how to achieve a beautiful, flawless skin without all these pimples and acne. For today's recipe, we'll need just a bunch of mint leaves. We should mix it with a bit of cold water and prepare this kind of paste, which we'll have to apply on our face. Make sure that your paste is just of this consistency so that you can apply it to your face. So let us do it. It smells really good actually. I can feel how my skin becomes fresh. And don't forget about the knuckles. After the paste has dried off, wash it with a cold water. Continue this for at least 1 week. It will remove all of the pimples and acne and will help you to achieve beautiful, clear, flawless skin. Thank you guys. Stay beautiful.